Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up MSY VPN Tunnel in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So, if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to drop a like, and don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and then that is it. So, our first step, we're going to open our Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store is where you're going to download this application so as you access a secure internet. Take note of the spelling, take note of the app icon and the app name. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So this application will be looking like this. You're going to download and then after install it in your device after open. Now you're going to allow all the permissions that will be requested to you by this application, and then after you're going to come and go to the application settings by tapping right here. Let me have a pointer. I'll come and go right here where I'm pointing. Then I'll come make sure that each and every setting in this application is looking as you see mine is looking. So your settings must be looking like this, and then after you're going to come and then let me show you where we are going to tap next. Before connecting, you're going to come and tap right there where I'm pointing, and then you're going to come where you see reload the servers, and then until you see this option that success servers have been reloaded successfully. Now you're going to come right here where you see the IP Australia. Then you're going to tap onto this one. It has 41 users online. Then after you're going to come right here where you see configuration. Now if your country supports the UDP, you're going to connect to UDP Australia volume 1. You can use this one and this one, but I do recommend you guys to keep using this one because it has 18 online people are using this server right now. That means it is fast. So if you're from Morocco, you can tap right there and then choose any of those ones. But in this case, me, I'm not from Morocco. I'll connect the UDP Stadia server, and then after I'm going to come and tap right here, and then the application will start. I'll accept the VPN service so that my application can be able to connect to a secure connection, and then that is it. My application has successfully been connected. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustic and I sign out.